You're welcome. In this particular video, we will try as much as we can to go as practical as much as we can, right? So, as I said in the previous lessons, there are two major ways you can carry out freelancing. Number one, which is the platform freelancing, and number two, which is the personal freelancing. The platform freelancing involves you using platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, People Per Hour, Guru, or Total to actually start your freelancing career. While for personal freelancing, this involves you using your personal website or social media handles to source for clients. But we want to focus more on the network freelancing. So we'll cover both of them, both network freelancing and personal freelancing. For network freelancing, just like using Upwork, the first thing you want to do is to create your Upwork account, set your profile, and start to find jobs. And that is the thing that we are going to do in this particular video. So I will go to my Google Chrome like this and I will set up my Upwork account. So I'll go to upwork.com. Now, as you guys can see right here on the slide, it is not just only Upwork you can use. You can use Fiverr, you can use Freelancer, you can use People Per Hour, you can use Guru. But for the sake of this particular video, I'm going to be using Upwork, right? So just go on Upwork, upwork.com, you click on sign up. So once you click on sign up, it's going to ask you join as a client or as a freelancer. For you, you want to join as a freelancer, right? So I'm going to click join as a freelancer and I'm going to click apply as a freelancer, and it's going to ask me some of my name. So I'm just going to type Samuel. So for the sake of this video, I'm not going to create a new account. I can actually sign up with my Gmail, right? So let me just sign up with Gmail. All right, let me wait for this thing to load. I'll use a Gmail account that I don't really use. So let me see. This should work. All right. So you could see it said I'm in Nigeria. That's no big deal. You can actually just say that you're in Nigeria. That works. So send me helpful emails. I don't want them to send me anything, right? So create my account. Okay, yes, I understand. Let me accept that. I'll create my account, right? Congratulations, your account has been created. Let's get you started. Amazing. So I'll just wait for a while. All right. So they asked me to answer some questions, answer some few questions, blah blah. No problem. I'll say yes. Then I'm brand new into this. I have some experience. I'm an expert. All right, whatever. You can say you're brand new. A few quick questions to ask you. Let us know, blah blah. So you can say you're an expert. Sometimes you can say I have some experience. Let us choose that for now. You can skip it if you want to. Got it. What is your biggest goal as a freelancer? Of course, to make money on the side, right? To earn my income. So anyone that you choose actually does not really matter. If you like, you can actually skip it. So let's click on next. Right? And how would you like to work? I would like to find a job opportunity myself. I would like to package my own work. So it does not really matter. Both of them works. Can select the two things and click on create your profile. So now you can actually import your profile from LinkedIn. You can upload your resume if you want to. You can fill out under 15 minutes. So let me just upload my resume and see if it's going to like just fill things for me. So I think I have some resume here so that I pre-saved under UI UX. So I'm going to add an account as if I'm a product designer, right? So if I upload my resume, now it's not compulsory you do this. You can actually just fill the things out manually if you want to, but using your resume that you already have just basically like help you to scan through your resume and pick up some of those contacts. So now if I click on continue, right now I can say got it now, and a little to tell the world what you do, right? So you could see I can now tell them now, look, I'm a product designer. So I'm going to type product design here, right? And I'll click on next. Add your experience. Now, I can actually skip all of this. So let me skip this. Skip for now. For my education, I could also skip too as well if I want to. I can skip for now. So it will ask me to add my skill level, English language basic, fluent, right? So you want to say you're native. Yeah, if you're from Nigeria, of course, we are native speakers of English in a way. So your skill, so you can choose to add your skill here, product design, UI design. Now, if you're a web designer or you're a WordPress designer or you're a no-code designer, or you're a digital marketer, just type the things that basically relates to your skill set here, right? So that is what I'm typing. So UI UX design and so on and so forth. So let me just leave that. I can type up to 15 there. Now, great. Now write about to tell the world about yourself, right? So something like this. So the good thing about Upwork again is that they're actually giving you hints here. So you could see that I'm a developer, blah, blah. So even if I copy all of this, I can just basically paste it here. But I'll not advise you to do the same thing. So, but I cannot say I'm a product designer. So I can use this as a hint. I'm a product designer experience in. Let me vote. Okay, I'm going to delete this. Let me just read it from here now. So I'm a product designer experience in helping startup founders, right, design and prototype their startup websites or mobile app products ideas. I have 8 years. Okay. So all of this stuff you can always edit it later, right? I have 8 years experience helping businesses with user-centric products designs, right? So if you like, you can add some bulleted points like, proficient in Figma, proficient in Figma, um, good understanding of clean user interface design. Okay, let's just leave it here. I'll click on next and choose your category. So you ask me what kind of service am I looking for. So it has to do with design and creativity. For you, don't forget to choose what relates to what you're doing, right? So I'll click this, I'll click on next too as well. It asks me my hourly rate. I could just type something like $25, probably $40, whatever. So that works. You get, I'll click on next too as well. Then it will ask me for my date of birth, if I should upload my profile picture, and so on and so forth, right? So I'll come over here now. I'll add my date of birth. So let me assume now that I'm born ye what now? Let's say year 2000, January year 2000, January 1st year 2000. I'm from Nigeria. There is no problem. You can just leave the fact that you're from Nigeria. That works. Street address. You could actually enter your street address if you want to. For example, now let me say Lekki phase 1. Does not really matter. The city, you can say you can just say Lekki like this. So that's drop that for you. Zip code 101212. So that works. So you can also enter your phone number. All right, that works too as well. Then, okay, I need to upload my profile picture. Let me upload the profile picture. So I'll just scroll down on my system and look for a headshot of myself. I think I have this particular headshot. This works. Attach profile picture. So I don't really want to use this account anyways. I'm just creating it for the sake of this particular video. I hope I should be able to delete it later. All right, then I'll click on review your profile and looking good. Make sure your edit blah blah. So this is where you look through what you've done. Now, anything that you do right now, if you submit your profile should be under review, and after a couple of minutes or so, you should have an active profile. Then you should actually start working, right? So this looks good. Then later I could add my educational history and so on and so forth, and my profile should be up and ready. So I'll click on submit. So you could see your profile is ready now. You will need connect to bid on jobs. So my profile is ready, and all I need to do right now is to start to bid on jobs, right? And everything looks good. So if I click over here now, I could actually go to my profile and so on and so forth. So everything looks nice. So let me click here. All right, so I click on the Upwork. As you guys can see, I set up a new Upwork account, and everything is cool. My submission is cool. If I come under here now, I could see several jobs that I can actually bid for. So this is how you can actually set up your Upwork account, and you can start looking for job on Upwork. So in our next video, we'll be progressing and we'll see how we can basically use Upwork to do other wonderful things. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.